What's up, you guys? Dink Dangler here. It is a very exciting day today. I am headed to my recently acquired P.O. box. A viewer sent me a package, so we're gonna go check it out and see what's in it. Let's get over there. So I'm on my way to the P.O. box location right now. One of my subscribers by the name of Chris Chiba 8086 said that he sent me a package and sent me a traffic tracking notification. Apparently it's some jigs and some trailers, just some baits to try. So I'm really excited. Thank you, dude, so much. Definitely appreciate it. We'll see if I can fish today at some point with this Chris Chiba package. First, I'm gonna check out what it is and try to assess what the most appropriate venue to fish with it is. But just want to give a thank you to all you guys who have subscribed thus far and being supportive of the channel. I really appreciate it. It's just growing so fast, and hopefully we can get up to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. That would be so sick, because you guys know I'm trying to get monetized so that we can make better content, better videos, and just do more fun stuff. Maybe travel. You know, I'd like to do some traveling and fishing this winter. So hopefully we can generate some funds for the channel, because I'm a server at a restaurant. So if I travel, I got to take time off work, and then I'm missing out on money and stuff like that. So I just don't want that to be an issue. I want to just be able to fish where I want to fish and do the things I want to do. So let's get over here to the USPS location and check this out. All right, I just pulled up to the post office here. I'm gonna go inside, and when I come back, I'll have a package in my hand. Let's get it. All right, my first Amazon package from the P.O. box. Let's see what's in it. We're gonna do the unboxing right here in my Nissan tackle box. Dude, sick. All right, we got some green pumpkin pearl belly rage tails. That is awesome. And let's see. Oh, it's a Booyah 1/4 ounce, just a bigger jig with a rattle. Dude, heck yeah. Well, thank you so much, Chris, man. I'm gonna try these. I always see these Booyah jig heads, and I never try them. I actually want to open this up and take a look at it. Oh yeah, it's got 2 rattles, a little bit of sound. I'm curious how this will work for the smallmouth, because they're pretty finicky. I do like the weed guard. It's a nice sturdy weed guard. I never throw like these larger profile jigs, because usually at my fisheries, pike eat them, and then I end up just losing my jig. There are largemouth in my lake, but I mostly catch smallmouth on these jigs. But hey man, this might work. And who knows, maybe I'll catch my like 8-pound smallmouth I've been searching for. So thank you so much, Chris. I really appreciate you sending me this, and I will definitely find an application for this. If you guys want to send stuff, here's a P.O. box link with my Band-Aid finger. I chopped off half my finger working on my car yesterday, but I'll post the P.O. box up here. It's in my description of my channel, and if you guys want to send me stuff, I am open to trying whatever baits you guys shoot over. So thank you again, dude. Heck yeah. All right, I just got back from the post office. Wanted to show you guys this. This here is a Sevler 360 Fish Hunter. This is the boat that I bought when I was like, I don't know, maybe 14 or 15. I used to fish out of it at a little pond near where I grew up. But yeah, I'm gonna see if it holds air. I just picked it up from my parents' house when I was in Illinois. So time to blow it up and kind of just wait, maybe throw some soapy water on the bottom of it and see if it's got any leaks. I would like to fish with this maybe next week. So here we go. There's the boat now, and I'm gonna get her all blowed up. So the first layer's blowing up. All right, number 2 is just bottom for it. It's pretty sturdy. Sweet. All right, this one's easier to blow up when it's flipped over. So that one, you can see it's all inflated. This one's just getting started. One more. She's going. You guys, check this freaking thing out. That's sick. See our rod holders? That's cool. I'm gonna get this thing hosed off, clean it up, and wait a little while and see if it holds air. But look at that. It's a fish hunter, man. the dink dangler. Well, no leaks that I can see. So you'd see them foaming. See them bubbling. There were none on the other side. I mean, it might have a slow leak at a seam, but as of now, I don't see anything. We're gonna have to take this boat out, you guys. Maybe not today, but at some point. Can't believe this thing held up. All right, guys, I'm back. It's a little bit later in the day. I don't have that much time to fish today, so I'm going to go to my local pier spot and see if we can dangle a smallmouth on the jigs I got from this viewer named Chris. And when I was getting them out of the package, I noticed there was a note, so I'm just gonna read this out loud to you guys. It says, "A gift for you. Hi, Joe. Love the YouTube channel. Figured I'd send you a jig and some tails to try out in a video. I hit you up on Instagram via direct message. Papa Glocks is my username on Insta. Let's link up sometime and fish," from Chris. So yeah, really nice note from Chris. I don't know about fishing. My schedule's a little bit weird, but if we can make it happen, of course, I'd love to do some fishing with some subscribers. That's always cool. I did a little bit of a modification to those rage tails. I just shortened it up a little bit since we're gonna be targeting smallmouth. And that jig has these big rattles in it, and I'm curious whether or not the smallmouth in this lake, if the lake's even fishable right now since we're in the transition, but I'm curious if they're going to be shy of the rattles and this like dark black weed guard. I don't typically use those larger rage tail craw imitations because the only thing I've ever caught with them are pike. So hopefully I don't get broken off today. That would really suck, but we're gonna go try and catch some fish with Chris's lures. Thank you, dude. All right, let's get out there. All right, one rod with the jig. This is my jig from Chris. Looks like it's gonna work. I would imagine it would. I don't see why it wouldn't. All right, let's get in this park. All right, water clarity is not too bad. There's still a bunch of dead grass around. Looks good. Yeah. It's just like the water clarity is so high. It's kind of murky today though. Or the one next to Mariner. Like, oh, you just got hit, dude. Big time. You got him? Okay, so big time bummer. I'm about to edit this video, but as I went to look at this footage of me catching a fish on your jig, the file was corrupted, and I don't even know what happened. My GoPro froze for a second that day, and when I turned it back on, I don't know, maybe it must have, something happened. But I'm not lying, I caught a fish on the jig that you sent me, and here it is. It's gonna be on the next clip, but dude, what the heck? Of course, it's the only file from this video that I need, but I'm gonna have to get out there and use this jig again because this was the only fish I caught on it, but here it is. All right, man, your jig worked, bro. That was a grind though. I'm gonna switch back to what I'm comfortable with, but nice bass. See you, bud. You. All right, there's your jig, brother. Caught me my first fish. My first good bass in a while. So I was out in Illinois this weekend, dude, and my buddy bought an inflatable raft, and we went on this lake, and we just caught like 30 dinks, dude. It was nuts. It was like every third cast yeah, we were just chilling like island boys, dude, on this stupid little raft. But we caught like, I think we hit over 30 fish. I caught like 14, and he outfished me, so it had to be, yeah, it was so fun. But I'll take big ones like that over the little guys. Oh, oh, oh! What are you throwing, a little paddle tail? Oh yeah, dude. That was sick.
The same fish you just caught.
No, it was smaller. It was a smallmouth, dude. It looked like it, anyway. That was sick. Oh. All right, they're over there. All right, I do like this jig. This is sweet. It's got rattles. Whenever I'm targeting largemouth, this is gonna be my go-to. Trailers are awesome too. I always like those rage tail, big craws like that. They're pretty sick. But for now, while I'm seeing all these bait fish around, I'm gonna try this little underspin, close this out. Something just hit it. Felt small. All right, well, the day is coming to a close. The sun is going down pretty quickly here. But yeah, shout out to Chris Chiba 8086, I think it was. But yeah, thanks for the lures, man. That was the only thing I caught a fish on today, so I probably should have kept using it, but I wasn't getting bit on that. I wasn't getting bit on much of anything, so let me just try to throw this underspin on the way out here. We'll see if we can hook up one more time, but I don't know. It's kind of tough tonight. All right, a couple more casts out here. Just for a good measure. All right, a couple casts in the marina, just because I can't help myself. About like that break wall. There's one. There's one. Got him. Got him. Nice. I'm gonna net him just to make sure I catch this fish. Oh. Tiny little smallmouth. Dude, sick. That was awesome. Hooked him perfectly. Sick, you guys. Nice. Little tiny dinker. Smalley. Look at that guy. He's fat too. He's been munching up. He's been munching up on bait fish. All right, this is probably gonna be my last fish of the night. Only caught 2 fish today. I'm gonna get this guy back. See you, buddy. Head first. Yes, nice. All right, well, if you liked what you saw today, please like, subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you thought. Hit my P.O. box with some lures. That totally worked flawlessly. I mean, Chris sent me some lures, and he sent me a jig and some trailers. I caught a pretty decent largemouth on it, like the entire deal, so that was freaking awesome. Couldn't have worked more perfectly. Well, I guess I could have caught more fish on it, but it's kind of tough today, as you can see, but I'm gonna keep casting out there. But as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time, in case I don't catch a fish, but here comes some more casts. All right, let's try to drag it along this break wall. Oh, cast right on top of it. I don't see any fish down there. Doesn't mean they're not there. Oh, I had one. I had another one. Dang, I just had one. Oh, I just had another one. Oh, I got another one. Yes! Let's go! A dinker. I knew I had a fish. Nice. Little dinker smalley. These guys are fattening up, man. It's crazy. Nice, dude. Check this little dinker out. I saw my freaking line swimming away. He freaking wanted it so bad. All right, see you, buddy. Nice.
Look, there's one. Got him. Nice, dude. Yes.